11 years in his long slumber, have life and wait until big. The mountain again enters husky goteum, edelti hilnavale porivalti. Then you have to pote. It's delivered to your phone and then you send it to your phone. This kind of interface in front of you, you want to translate the video you have to upload here after uploading it. You have to select the language of audio, so what language is your video in? So my video is in Chinese, so here I select Chinese. And then here you have to click on the transcript and, as you guys click on the transcript here now, there will be a little bit of processing here. And then your video will be converted into text here. As you can see here now, what you have to do here is copy the text and then here you have Google Translate. Here you have to select the language, so whatever paragraph you copied is in the language. So here I select the Chinese and then here whatever paragraph you copied is going to paste it into the second box. In the language you want to translate, for example, you have to pay here and here you have to open the note tree and whatever you copied the paragraph, you have to paste it over here and friends in the middle of the paragraph you see the number, you have to remove that number. In this way you have to remit all the timings here. Here you have to click on this small link and as you guys click on this link there will be something like this interface in front of you. Here you have to click on Get Started Free and here you have to sign up from your Google account. And as you guys sign up there will be something like this interface in front of you and whatever you paragraph, what was the copy that you pasted here now? You can convert whatever text you copied to speech, means you guys can convert it to audio and from here you guys can select whatever voice you like. From here you guys can select the audio. After selecting the audio, then from here you have to click on pay and like here you click on generate speech. Your text will be converted to audio here. Once I show you by playing audio, this mountain was born 1 billion years ago. And he was in the water during his long sleep. So guys, saw you this way you guys can convert any text to audio. And here you have to download the audio. Now here you have to edit the video. You don't have to do any advanced editing here. Just here you have to match the video to the audio. How to do that? Here I come and then here you have to click on import. And here you have to import both the original video and the audio you just generated here. After porting then here you have to select the video and here you have to bring it to the timeline some way and here you have to make the audio of the original video. Now here what you have to do, whatever you did to the audio from the ElevenLabs, they have to bring you to the timeline some way and friends here you get to see all your guests. Now what you have to do is listen to the audio and accordingly you can remove all the guests here. Now after you remove here what you have to do is to match the video by audio, because if you guys don't match the video and the address will not go where your audio is going, where your video is going. Okay, but if you guys translate the video into Hindi then you will know what is happening in the video because you have translated Chinese into Hindi. The speed you guys can lower and higher if you guys want to match the audio calculation. Then from here you guys can make the video little lower and higher the way you guys can match the audio to the video. After the match, now your Chinese video has been translated into Hindi language. Let me show you. Once I play this prout, it was born 1 billion years ago again, and the surrounding valleys became trembling, and the witches began to dry up the forest, and millions of Tauruses became extremely cold, and the mountains of accumulated snow pushed the mountains away by the hundreds of thousands.